6 top perks of using the Robinhood app. What are they? Let's talk about it. So hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Rijul and I make content related to finance as well as technology on this channel. And in this video, I'll be giving you 6 advantages, or like you can call it 6 perks of using the Robinhood app. Now what are those? Let's start the video. So the first pro is that there is no commission fees, there is no active trading fees. For example, if you want to go ahead and buy a Microsoft stock or an ETF or invest into cryptocurrency or buy gold, everything, all sorts of that. So there is zero commission fees. You do not have to pay anything when you buy on the platform. So I think that is a really good advantage because a lot of platforms still have commission fees, have trading fees and all that stuff. But Robinhood does not have any fees. Just go there, put your money into the Robinhood account and then boom, you buy a stock. The second advantage of using Robinhood is fractional shares. So fractional share basically means that if you're like going to buy a Google stock, which is I think around $120 right now, and you do not have all the money, you can just go there and buy a Google stock worth of only $1. So if you have $1 to invest $1 into the Google stock. So that is what fractional sharing does. And how do you fractional share and how do you buy and sell into the Robinhood stock? I already have made a video about it, so I'll be also putting that into the link in the description below, so go check that out. And fractional sharing is I think very easy to do. You just have to put into the amount which you want to buy. If for example I want to buy $37 of Google stock, I can very easily do that on the Robinhood app. The third pro of using the Robinhood app is that you can invest into cryptocurrencies at any amount of time, any hour of the day. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, any amount of those, so you can buy these cryptocurrencies through the Robinhood crypto app. And a lot of apps are also there, for example Coinbase and Binance, crypto.com. I'll be making a separate video of all of them, but this video is all about Robinhood, so you can easily go ahead and invest into crypto using the Robinhood app. Another pro of using the Robinhood app is easy cash management. For example, if I want to buy a Microsoft stock right now और मेरे पास $200 नहीं है, so what I will do is I will make a deposit of $200 from my bank account into the Robinhood account. That deposit will be coming into the Robinhood account in 3 to 7 business days. But Robinhood क्या करेगा, मेरे को अभी के अभी $200 दे देगा easily. So it will give me $200 easy cash which I can invest right now and buy a Microsoft stock. And after I invest those $200, those $200 will be deducted from my bank account in the next 3 to 7 business days. So it gives you instant deposits, and it gives you instant deposits more into the Robinhood Gold, which we are talking about next. So the next pro of Robinhood app is the Gold, which is $5 per month. As I previously said that there is no commission fees on using the Robinhood app, but if you want to gain much access into the more features, there is a Robinhood app Gold version which is $5 a month. Now what exactly does this give you? Number one thing, it gives you 4.15% interest on the cash which is sitting down on Robinhood. If you for example transfer $1,000 from your bank account into the Robinhood account, $1,000 will gain 4.15% per year interest. Now standard interest on Robinhood, if you do not have the Gold, is 1.50%, and I think 4.15% is very higher than the national average into the I think the national average in US is very less than that. So just your cash sitting and gaining 4.15% interest per year, I think that's a good deal. You also get like $1,000 deposit instant, which I already talked to you about in the previous section, into the normal Robinhood app. And if you have the Robinhood Gold, you'll be getting 50,000 instant cash deposits. For example, if you want to invest $50,000 of stocks or like crypto right now and you don't have the money, it will give you $50,000 instant cash to buy the stock or the crypto right now, and after 3 to 7 days or 2 to 3 business days from your account into the Robinhood account, $50,000 will be deposited. Another feature which is very important for stock traders and active traders is Morningstar stock report research, and all of those reports from Morningstar will be given access to you so that you can invest more wisely into the stock market. And this will be a level 2 Nasdaq data also, like each and every part will be explained in very much detail if you are using Robinhood Gold. So this is it for the video guys, and I really hope you like the video और आपको काफ़ी अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ गई होगी कि Robinhood के प्रोस क्या क्या हैं यूज़ करने के लिए. And yeah, please stay tuned. A lot of videos into the stock market, into investing, into technology will be coming next. And yeah, इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.